Alright, so we're going to do some dividing fractions. So I got one there, 3/4 divided by 2/3. And here's a key term we got for this unit is reciprocal. And that simply means to take it and flip it, basically, is the best way you can describe it. So I use this little acronym as well. KCF stands for keep, change, flip, and flip is the reciprocal. So we're going to keep that first fraction, whatever it is, just keep it the way you see it. So we're keeping 3/4 as 3/4. We're changing division to its reciprocal, so the opposite of division is multiplication, and then we're flipping that 2/3, which is our reciprocal. Now we have 3/4 times 3/2, and so here you're just going to multiply like you do any other fraction. So 3 times 3 is 9, 4 times 2 is 8. So we have 8/9. 8 will go into 9 one time with 1 left over. So 1 and 1/8. Let's practice a couple more. Alright, so let's do 1/4 divided by 1/6. So again, keep, change, flip. We're keeping that 1/4, changing division to multiplication, and flipping the 1/6. So that's its reciprocal. So here I can reduce ahead of time. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So I have 1 times 3 is 3. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 goes into 3 once with 1 left over. So 1/4 divided by 1/6 is 1 1/2. And what you might have noticed here is that when you divide fractions by fractions, sometimes the answer gets bigger. So let's do one with a whole number. Alright, so we're going to do 3/4 divided by 8. And we're going to do it the opposite way. So we'll do 8 divided by 3/4. So this first one we're going to keep the 3/4, change it to multiplication, and that 8, you can make it 8 over 1, and then find its reciprocal, flip it. So now we have 3 times 1 is 3, 4 times 8 is 32. So when you take a fraction and divide it by a whole number, we got smaller. We got 3 over 32. So now let's do it with the 8 divided by 3/4. So we're going to keep that 8 as just 8 over 1. Change division to multiplication, and the reciprocal of that 3/4, you flip it, 4/3. So now we have 8 times 4 is 32. 1 times 3 is 3. 3 will go into 32 10 times with 2 left over. So 10 2/3. So that is how you divide fractions.